Hey guys, we have a strength workout for you today that's going to be every minute on the minute for 8 minutes workout. Every minute on the minute, we're going to do 4 strict presses and 4 burpees in the same minute. So you're going to choose the load for the strict presses, 4 of those, and you're going to go right into the burpees. So choose a load that you're going to be able to clean from the ground to the shoulder, and then you're going to be able to press that 4 times without too much difficulty, and you're going to get right into 4 burpees. Steady work on those burpees. We should be able to finish up 4 strict presses and 4 burpees within about 40 seconds. So you should have about 20 seconds to spare before we do it again. Okay, 20 to 30 seconds to spare. If you're getting closer to that minute, then you could scale the reps back to 3 each. Okay, we want to have at least a few seconds to catch our breath before we do this again. We're going to do it every minute on the minute for 8 minutes.